Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add Wattpad widget on Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold the two finger on screen and slide closer to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Wattpad widget on your home screen. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Wattpad to add the Wattpad widget to your home screen. And okay guys, we have successfully add the Wattpad widget on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.